elbow strike.
And nice counter.
You saw Brian Key's leg just give out from under him off that.
Tornado DDT in the corner.
Momentum through the ropes. Eats that super kick. Ali went to the well once too often there. There's that DDT again.
Backslide, but a boot to Shelley. Instead,
taking it over. Look at that.
DDT uses Angels as a
Nito ali do Ace, vai passar por isso aqui que vai fazer o Ace, DDT pra cima do Toco. Meu amigo, não perca a ação que vai rolando aqui na tela da Band Esportes. Vai caminhando pelas cordas, é bom demais o Ace.
Great awareness from Ichiban, now rolling back, able to duck the blow.
Hits the swinging DDT this time.
Anthony Henry rolling out to ringside to put some distance, and now Ichiban takes flight. DDT on the floor.
Swinging DDT.
Oh.
What a catch.
Oh, it turns it into a DDT.
Tornado DDT. Off the ropes. Wait. Ducks a big kick. Oh, wait. Kick right in the nose.
Cage connected with the boot, though.
Whoa! Wow, launching off the ropes with a tornado DDT.
Through both the bodies of the Jordans.
Oh,
Tornado DDT. Turn.
Splash in the corner.
Whoa.
For Teriyaki, right into the arms of Fuego del
Oh,
Sol.
there it is, Tornado DDT off the
sides. Step up in Zagiri. And now off the ropes. This doesn't connect rather with the Tornado DDT.
But gets it the
There we
second
go.
time. Jimmy got planted.
Turns to the ring as Private Party looking maybe for the silly string. Yes! Sabian planted it.
Tornado DDT takes out.
Do I need to explain the Canadian part? See, Cody used to be part of the Canadian World Order.
With a little assistance out with a victory, so you never know where Harris and Shannon are lurking, by the way.
That's true. It's scouted, dodges the lariat. Now Amira back into that corner. Springboard.
Tornado DDT.
Oberhausen. Seated senton. And now here comes Kid Lycos 2, gets caught in mid-air. No, he doesn't. He drops him with the DDT.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, he did it again!
DDT!
How many times?
Let's not forget who he defeated at our last show. It was Armstrong. He defeated him in that.
And if that's the case, Tom Philippe goes straight for Emin Usman. Usman bounces up the rope and a quick swinging DDT.
Conseguiu sair bem ali o Brian Racer.
Jogou ele de cara ali no corner.
Vai
pra cima dele.
A rotação.
Essa
que están en las 280 libras. Hizo el giro, el toque de espaldas, como si fuera una C-19. Ahí está, comanda.
Oh, muy bien la DDT. To his mentor and coach, Massaro, the head trainer from the West Coast Pro Training Academy, getting taken to school by his pupil. Beautiful.
Into Navarro's boot. Whoa. Oh! Code red!
Alex Shelley going for the big tornado DDT on Aaron O'Ryan.
Leaping off the chair, swinging DDT through the door in the...
Will sacrifice his body for the SGC. A Doomsday device position here. What the hell? Doomsday Tornado DDT spiking James on his dome!
That was definitely a twisting moonsault.
Yeah, did not work out for him though.
Ali off the second DDT, plants him head first.
Spiked him. But Gringo somehow getting up to his feet. I don't think he knows where he is.
Another big DDT from Olives.
Up to the second.
DDT through the door bridge on the floor.